Packaged food looks simple. It isn't. There are many hidden steps you never see. Everything starts as raw material. At this stage, it is perishable and risky. Before any processing, food is cleaned and sorted. This is where many problems are removed. This is the most important stage. Grinding, mixing, heating, and drying make the food stable. If this step is done incorrectly, the food does not survive. It spoils, loses taste, and gets rejected. Many people think packaging fixes bad food. It doesn't. Packaging only protects food that is already good. After packaging, proper storage and transport keep the food safe until it reaches the store. So, packaged food lasts longer not because of packaging alone, but because every step before it is carefully controlled. Now, you know how packaged food is really made.